Hi, welcome to this video. To verify an Apple ID email address on iPhone, open the Settings app, tap your name or Apple ID, and click Sign in and Security, and tap the email address showing pending, quote unquote pending, to resend a verification code or enter the code sent to that mail. Okay, so let's say this is the email. Make sure that you verify using, of course, your Apple Mail. So check that out. If you haven't found it here, just go back to the mailbox and choose iCloud, right? If it's not there, you could go ahead to the junk, right? You're gonna be able to find all your emails there. So basically, that's it. You could also add and verify new emails in this menu by selecting add email or phone number. So go ahead, settings, and add email or phone number and verify it, of course, with the same process. Consider liking this video, subscribe, until next time. See you.